run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along
the belt is broken, so we had to drop the luggage off. Weird.
back between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Y'all, we about to take a 7-day trip to Peru. Lima, Peru, y'all. We going for 7 days, and guess what? This is a solo trip, so you know it's gonna be an adventure. I'll see y'all on the plane. Y'all, we have a 5-hour flight to Bottega, Colombia, I think. And then after like 3 hours, 2 or 3 hours layover, which I don't mind because y'all know I love a lounge. Then I think it's just like 3.5 hours to Lima, so it's not too long. We normally go 20 hours. We can do 5 in 3. Oh, it's called Bogota. I said Bottega. Bogota is where we're going. Bogota, Colombia for our layover. So I'm in economy, and economy is tight. This is tighter than Spirit. This is tighter than Frontier, y'all. Look at my legs, and y'all know I'm short. Here we are. And it didn't come with a thing. Good thing I brought a water though, because I can get real thirsty on this 5 hours. Oh, we don't even have a TV. It's not that kind of international flight. So Avianca, just know this is what y'all get. You get what you pay for, especially when you pay for it last minute. Okay, if we get something to eat, I'm gonna let y'all know. If not, I'm gonna see y'all in Bogota.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday?
Hopefully y'all can hear me because I know we're on a plane, but yeah, we get fed on here for just a 5-hour flight. It looks like we're gonna be eating a little sandwich, and I want it because I didn't get to spend a lot of time in that dorm lounge, so I need a sandwich and some juice. I feel good about it. Looks like I got a ham and cheese sandwich, y'all, and we got some orange juice. Let's see what this sandwich top we got. Y'all, this bread is so darn good. And for it to be a cold sandwich, the bread is so soft. Probably because I haven't had bread in a long time, but the bread is soft. It's really good and it's sweet. Kind of like donut bread. Y'all, we made it to Bogota, and I think we have like an hour and a half to spare. Maybe 2 hours. I feel like just an hour. But if we can find a lounge, we will be lounging because, girl, I'm hungry. That little sandwich, it just made me hungrier. Cars make you hungry now. Now let's just go find our gate and make sure it exists. Now that I forgot, we have to go through immigration first. So we got to go through immigration first, and then we'll go find our gate. Or maybe we'll just go to the connected part. I'm saying the part where it says connection, so hopefully that's us. While we taking this long walk to immigration, let's talk about how tight that plane was. Y'all, that plane was so darn small. I'm small. And that plane was small. Like, girl, make it work. I'm glad it wasn't like a 10-hour flight because we couldn't have made it.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets.
Y'all, we had to go back through TSA. We made it. Now we get to find a lounge. I think we have an hour, y'all. Fingers crossed we have an hour. We need some lounge snacks. Y'all, we looking for 813. That's our gate. Y'all, I just thought about something. We need to get a magnet because even though we just at the airport, we've been to Bottega. That's what it's called? Bottega. I don't know what it's called, y'all. But when I see that magnet, I'm gonna read it. We need a magnet for here. Y'all, I think I just found all the lounges. Look. But our gate is at the very end, and we only on A7. We going at 13. Yeah, we still walking. And you know what? I don't think there's a lounge down here. We got to come all the way back up. We got to make sure, though. We can't be stuck here in Bogota. I was trying to say Bogota. Anyway, I think I see 813. Is that 813, y'all? Did we make it? Thank God. Okay, we finally made it. Let's go make sure that it says what needs to be said. Hey y'all, it says Lima. We can leave now. So pretty much we have an hour and I'll be back in 30 minutes because I'm scared. I don't want to get stuck. I've been stuck before. Not stuck, but I've missed my flight plenty of times. It all worked out though. It always works out. That's the important thing. And you know what else? It's always an adventure. At least you got the memory. Remember that time we was there and we missed our plane again? Yeah, it be happening. When you get in those lounges, things just get a little bit too comfortable sometimes. Y'all, reading is fundamental. Anyway, it's called Bogota. And if it's not Bogota, that's the best I've done so far. I think we're in Bogota. Do we even have time to get a magnet right quick? I need something to eat right quick. Y'all, we ran right into the lounge. Thank God. It's not too many steps away from my gate. Just about eight or 9 gates away. Y'all, we made it in. You get us a little snack before getting on the plane. I feel real good about it. They take Amex and they take Priority Pass. I got both of them. I should have gave them my darn Amex. She was like, you can get drinks with Amex, but if you don't, it's gonna be $15. I was like, I got Amex. We ain't got enough time though. They close at 10. We got about 20 minutes. Y'all, it's super cute here. It's also really big. So I don't even know if I'm making it to the food. I smell food though. Look at this. Look at the lights at the top. Cute, huh? Y'all, time is a ticking. We can have snacks. The buffet is closed anyway, but it's an additional $15, which is crazy. Y'all, we finally got everything under control. So I ordered a soup and a salad, a chicken soup and a salad, and now we're gonna look at the little snacks. Looks like nothing. Shredded beef. We'll have a shredded beef and some dessert, I guess, and bread. Y'all, we were able to get something. While we're waiting on the soup and the salad, let me show y'all the other stuff I found. And we gotta hurry up. I think I'm only gonna be in here for like maybe 20 minutes. I feel like I've been running around for 10 minutes already. But girl, it's fine. You was on the plane for so long, you need that little workout. I don't know what this is, but it looks pretty, so I got it. This is corn cake, and this is shredded beef. Oh, I don't like the feeling of this bread, but let's try it anyway. Cheers. Let's smell it. It smells like shredded beef. It smells like beef. Is the bottom like cornbread or something? You know what? It kind of tastes like soul food, like roast and cornbread. Not bad. And then cornbread or corn cake. Sweet cornbread. I like it. Haven't had cornbread in a while. It's not jiffy, but at least it's sweet. And let's try her. That was such a big bite for not knowing what it was. That's pudding. Delicious. We also got a Coke Zero and a water. Now when the other food comes, I'm gonna let y'all know, and then we gotta run up out of here, y'all. We got to, because our gate is like 8 gates away. It is. We just taking chances. Y'all know how we do it. I'm sitting here FaceTiming my mama, and she said it's called Bogota. I don't know what I've been calling it, but just know I'm in Colombia. I think this is Colombia. Y'all, I don't have no protein. All I have is potato. Did I not show y'all this? Y'all, I've been eating it because we're in a rush. Got a salad. It has avocado and radish, I think. And then this is like, it's supposed to be chicken noodle soup, but I think it's just chicken and potato. And I'm happy about it because all I had was a sandwich today and a Pop-Tart. Oh yeah, and I did have a protein shake too, but you need a home-cooked meal today. Girl, you don't get home-cooked meals at home. Anyway, I'm gonna hear me eat this because I feel like I'm gonna miss my flight for some reason. They said they're boarding now, so they board an hour early. It's crazy. But we gonna make it. Y'all, we leaving the lounge and we trying our best to make it to our flight. Cause it's really weird here. I think they start boarding like an hour early. Oh, not me spilling my soda. They start boarding an hour early, but they don't leave for like 40 minutes right now. I just don't wanna mess up. I'll meet y'all at the gate. Y'all, we ain't got no time to get a magnet. But when it's time to come back home, we gonna get one then. Y'all, it's loud on this runway, but I'm gonna see y'all in Lima. This is our last flight, and then we're gonna be there. Y'all, we made it to Lima. We made it to Peru. Now we just gotta find an Uber. Oh, we have to get through customs, of course, immigration, and then we get to get an Uber, and then we get to get to the hotel. It's like almost 2 o'clock in the morning right now, so I ain't ready to go to sleep. Meanwhile, it don't sound like I'm ready to go to sleep. I had a little nap. Y'all, we made it through immigration, and you know what I forgot? Luggage, girl. You got luggage. Go pick up your luggage. Now, where we gonna pick it up at? We gotta figure this thing out. Hopefully, this is where we figure it out at. So my luggage didn't come. They're done. Where's my luggage? Y'all ain't gonna never believe what happened. Y'all, my darn luggage is not even here. It's still in Bogota. I think that's how you say it. It's still in Bogota. So he said it probably won't be here till 10 a.m., which I'm very happy to hear, because guess what? It could have been in Dallas, or it could have been lost. At least I know it's coming. So I'm glad I put something in my backpack. Did I put pajamas? No. For some reason, I did not put pajamas in my darn backpack, but I have a change of clothes. Yeah, I have socks. I have soap. I have the things that I need for tonight. So I'm happy, and they're gonna deliver it to my hotel. I don't know when. I have activities tomorrow. I don't know when, but you know what? At least it's not lost. Anyway, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Let's go get an Uber so we can get to our hotel. So our Uber is gonna be $21, y'all. $21. You know what? It's not as bad as home though, because I think we're going like maybe 15 miles. I don't know, y'all. I don't be taking Ubers. I don't know if that's bad or not, but we finna take an Uber to our hotel. Y'all, it's currently like almost 4 o'clock in the morning, and we made it to the hotel. We can't really see anything, but let's go in. Y'all already know I've been to, I think it's Ibis. I've been calling it Ibis. We've been to Ibis before, but let's go check in and get our room. Okay, y'all, we got our key card. We got our Wi-Fi. Now we finna get our room. Also, the luggage will be delivered here tomorrow, thank God. Hopefully it'll be delivered before we do our activities, because we need the clothes. It's dark in here, so I'll show y'all a hotel in the morning. Okay, y'all, let's see what the room looks like. It's always a surprise to me. Please look nice. Please be clean. All we can ask for is clean, y'all.
Same question always. I'm getting tired.
Okay, y'all, it's real cozy in here. Y'all know what cozy means. It's a little small. But y'all know what the good thing is? Look, y'all. They have a TV. The first time I came to the Ibis Hotel, and I'm calling it Ibis, it's probably Ibis. The first time I came to the Ibis Hotel, they did not give me a TV in my room. I was like, wait, we missing something. That was in Thailand. Girl, they gave us a TV this time, and it's a pretty big one. I feel good about it. I do. Now, one thing about this room is, it's the ambiance, because they don't have a lot of light in here. They got one light over here. Let me show y'all. One by the window, and the window is cracked. I can feel the breeze already. And then they have one over here. Oh, I didn't see the mirror. One over here by the mirror, y'all. We got a mirror. Okay, girl, with your little budget room. Yeah. It's clean in here. Okay, y'all wanna see it? Okay, let me show y'all. Okay, y'all, so when you first walk in, we have a mirror right here, and it's kind of a full-length mirror. I'm gonna call it a full-length mirror. It is, because I can see all of my outfit in it. So we have a mirror here, and then we have this TV. It looks like a 55-inch TV. I feel real good about that. And then over here to the left, we have this bed that looks like it only has sheets on it, but I know it's like a duvet or something. Is it duvet or duvet? Duvet. Anyway, it's probably a duvet or something. Let's make sure. It is. It is. It is, y'all. It's going to be nice and cozy. Hopefully it's comfortable. Let's test it out in our airport clothes at the bottom of the bed. Let's see. Okay, I can't be mad at this, y'all. I can't. It feel like my bed at home. It feel like a bargain. Okay, do we have any outlets over here? No outlets over here, but they do have this cute, what do you call it? It's like a, I want to call it a headrest, y'all, but it ain't. It's cute though, behind the bed. It's cute. I don't know what to call it. And then over here, looks, oh, we have more lights, y'all. I was talking about they ain't got no lights in here. Let me see. Oh, girl, I'm turning them off. What about this one? Okay, things are lighting up, y'all, ain't it? It's lighting up. Let's turn this one on over here. Okay. And girl, you said they didn't have no light in here. They got all the light in here. I feel real good about this situation. And they do have some outlets over here, but just 2. I guess 3 if you have this kind of outlet. But I don't know. Is this the European one? What kind of outlet is this? Regardless, we have a Dorn adapter, so it don't matter. And these outlets actually work with the US ones too. Look. Love that for us. While we're over here, let's take a look at the bathroom. It's right here by the door. Okay, they have a real door on this one, y'all. Okay, here is the shower. It's giving budget. It's giving budget, y'all. That's all I got. We got the toilet. We got the sink. They trying to close me up in this dorm bathroom. The door closed. We got a mirror. They gave us some towels. And you know what this bathroom don't have, y'all? It don't have a bath towel. It don't have a wash towel. It don't. All it has is dry towel. So that's why I always bring my own just for this type of situation. Girl, I'm prepared. In the bathroom, we have some hand soap, it looks like. We got a dryer for our hair. We have 2 glasses that we would never put our mouth on. We got a sink. Then over here in the shower, it looks like we have body wash, and that's it, y'all. That's the bathroom, y'all. This bathroom is giving, girl, you got a bargain. It's a bargain room, y'all. It's a bargain room. I do feel good about it. 7 days. Oh, I didn't tell y'all. Let's come out of here. I didn't tell y'all. We are in Lima. 7 days. Lima, Peru. This hotel and the flight was under $1,000. It was like $990 something, y'all. Like, girl, I had to book it. I didn't have a choice. I had to book it. It was a steal of a deal. And we gonna have a good time, a little good adventure, aren't we? And we are. Come over here, y'all. We got a desk over here by the window with the crack. And then I guess this is where you put your luggage and stuff at. I only have a backpack for now, unfortunately. And then let's come over here to the right. We have a closet, y'all. A little open closet. Y'all see that? Okay, girl. And we got some door and hangers. I know that's right. Oh, they also have a safe up there. Okay. I feel good about it. I would probably put my luggage in here when I get it. Let's see if we have a view, y'all. Do we have a view? What is our view of? I don't even know if y'all can see it, y'all. Let me cut this light off so y'all can see it right quick. Oh, I don't know how to cut that light off. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I don't even know if y'all can see that still. Anyway, this is our view of the highway. We're on the 4th floor, so we ain't got no high rise this time. And y'all, I think that's all of the room tour that we have. The room is a small room, but it's clean. I feel good about it. I feel good about the price. I feel good about being here for a week. Like, y'all, we on another darn adventure. So freaking excited about my life. So freaking excited about a new adventure. And I'm so freaking excited that I get to take y'all with me. Now, if we can just get our luggage together, everything gonna be right again. It will. I'm gonna let y'all know if our luggage comes on time tomorrow. But yeah, it's 4 o'clock in the morning now, so it's time to go to sleep. I'm gonna have to see y'all tomorrow when we doing something else. And let me just give y'all a sneak peek of what's going on tomorrow. Fingers crossed we make it to our cooking class tomorrow. I always want to do a cooking class when I go to countries, and I never do. So the first thing that I booked was a cooking class, y'all. So tomorrow's gonna be exciting. I can't wait. And I will see y'all then. Thank y'all so much for watching today and traveling with me to Peru today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, hype. And also hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Leaving the house sometime before 3. Spark loaded me
We
up.
have to have 1 dirt road per day at
No
least.
dirt
We
road
have to.
streets. She gon' get 7 minutes. Find a deal on a cruise. Take a solo trip to Bali. She'll show you that too. Like. Share. Got the good job.
I'll meet y'all
I'll
over there.
meet you over there.